What's good, guys? It's your man Harrison back again with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be trading US30. I'm going to be running you guys through my US30 trades and everything else, guys. So yeah, this is going to be a super lit video. So just so you know, basically I have traded US30 before. I know the title says trading US30 for the first time, but your boy's talking about trading US30 for the first time on this channel. Obviously your boy's traded US30 before and it's been super sweet. But guys, we're going to be digging into US30 and I'm going to be running you guys through how I got into these trades in US30. Guys, we're talking about some huge pips here as well. So guys, definitely subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. Let's get your boy to 10,000 subs. We're so close, literally under 500 away. So this is absolutely crazy. It's insane right now. Also guys, definitely like the video. Let's try and smash 300 likes. I believe that once we hit that 300 like goal, we're gonna hit 10K. So let's go. All right, guys, so first of all, as you can see, your boy, there was 4 trades on the screen, okay? So I'm going to run you through all of them, okay? So first of all, you have to know where the liquidity is. You need to know where the money is, okay? So once you're able to identify the money, right, you know exactly where the trade is going to go, right? So this is what we're talking about today. So check this out. First of all, we see US30, we see what happens in Asia. You see there's a double top right here and then they trade away, okay? So they don't run out the liquidity, so there's still people's money up here. And for every single person who's new to this channel, I'm gonna be running you through these concepts over and over again so you guys can get a good understanding of what's going on, okay? Because I know I get new subscribers every single day, and so I need to explain these things to them as well. So to retail traders, okay, to the normal traders out there, when they see a double top, they instantly think it's a sell, right? So what happens is this, like they're taught that whenever something double tops here is an instant indication for a sell and that you should sell it off. And in this case, you caught a nice little 1-2. You caught a nice move down here, first of all, okay? But look, guess where their stop loss is? Their stop loss is above here, because when you're selling down, right, where do you put your stop loss? Above the high, okay? Is when you're selling here. And then all these people who are selling, right, where's their stop loss? Is above this high. So in other words, there's a pool of money up here that needs to come and get tapped, right? When they trade lower in Asia, as you can see, and then we get a reversal sign. There's multiple different reversal signs, but this one was just, I believe, a higher high and a higher low. So let me just quickly go to the 1 minute time frame so you can see what's actually happening. Okay, 1 minute time frame. Which one? Where are we? We're down here. Okay, cool. 1 minute time frame, so you can see, look, they run out Asia, okay, they run out the lows down here, all right, and then look at this. You see this short, this low down here. This move down runs out the liquidity beneath that low, and then there's a break above, yeah, the short-term high that took out the liquidity, all right, short-term high. This is the short-term high that took out this liquidity that was sitting down here. So there was money down here, people trying to buy because it had broken out of Asia. They jumped in too early, they tried to buy, they got stopped out, right? Then it breaks above the short-term high, yeah, then it pulls back, all right? So don't forget, this time it's pulling back into a discounted price, yeah? So some people bring out their flip tool, some people look for specific things in this area right here. It pulls back to a discounted price. In other words, the price is cheap, yeah? And then it takes off. So when it pulls back into that discounted price, this is where your boy is jumping in, okay? Stop loss beneath the low. I don't need to put my stop loss beneath here. So look at this one move. This one move was a 1 to 11 R to R, okay? But if I put my stop loss down here, this would have been a 1 to 3.6, which is still good, by the way, but I'm just saying, okay, you know your boy goes for that good, tasty risk to reward, okay, down here. So now it pushed up, okay, it pushed up and then it started consolidating. Here, I saw like a double top and a run. So your boy thought, you know what, I'm jumping at this trade. This thing could be reversing. And it did, technically it did reverse. It came back down, right? And I wasn't really watching. I didn't really mark up US30 after that, but I should have, because when it dipped down into this area here, this would have been perfect for an ideal second entry. Yeah, perfect, but I wasn't watching it. And my mentees know exactly why we would have jumped in this area down here to take it all the way back up as well, right? So now check this out, okay? So obviously I know it's going up. I've missed this entry. I've missed this entry down here when it pulled back down here too. So when I saw it lingering here, I jumped in again, stop loss beneath this low, and we rode it up now to the Asian highs, okay, where there was also a double top. So when price goes to take liquidity on one side, it normally goes to take the liquidity on the opposite side. Not only we had the liquidity above the Asian highs, but we also had liquidity at this double top, which is perfect. So all of this, so this move up, the drawn price was to here. So this move here, this was a 193 clicks move or points move, as you can see down here, 193 points there, and then this one here was 274 points, right? Beautiful stuff. And all we did was trade towards the money. Guys, I've told you so many times on this channel, all we're going to do is we're going to go for the liquidity, we're going to go for the liquidity, we're going to go for the money, right? That's all we're trading towards. We're not trading no indicators, we're not trading no levels and stuff like that. We are trading towards the money, right? Because most of the time when you trade towards the money, you win, because you're in line with the big central banks. So after it did that now, I knew the game wasn't done. I knew it wasn't finished. Okay, it tapped it, swept that liquidity above the equal highs. But who's to say Asia's stop loss is just here? It could be a lot higher. Okay, it could be a lot higher. So when it pulled back down, okay, this is where I jumped in again. I like how this was set up over here, and I saw it lingering down here. You know, your boy had to jump in again with a little tasty treat, okay? But this time, it was riding it to this level over here. This was our little level. It was the 26600 area, so I really like that area. And boom, that's what the TP was. It was another 217 pips. And look at that, we smashed it, okay? Smashed it. It got there, it went a bit higher. I couldn't care less about this one over here. All I cared about was just making sure it got to my 26600 number and your boy was out the trade. So these were 3 successful trades. This was beautiful. US30 has been absolutely sweet. If you're going to trade US30, guys, you need to have the stomach for it, man. It moves like crazy. It's such a volatile pair, man, honestly. After sweat the liquidity on the top side, now we're aiming for that bottom side liquidity, right? And so look, this would have been a sweet trade. I wasn't able to catch this one. Well, I did jump in, but it did stop me out. So look what happened. I jumped in when price got down to this level down here, okay? That was my level to jump in. You know, like my small stop losses. So I had like a 15 or 16 pip stop. It stopped me out and then it just plunged. It plummeted, okay? And it plummeted a good how many points down here? It plummeted how many from my entry to where it went to? Another 387. So that would have been the biggest move of the day. Literally, that would have been the biggest move of the day, but it stopped me out. And I was just targeting down here. Well, technically, I was targeting the lows as well, okay? I was going to start scaling off my position from roughly about down here, okay, down here. But look, it didn't get down there, but it's all good. But it's good to see that, you know what, if I had a bigger, just a little bit bigger stop loss, I could have caught that move too. So guys, this is US30. US30 has been an absolute vibe to trade. Once you catch it cleanly, you are good to go. You don't want to be that person trying to jump in for buys at these highs. Make sure you get the dips and then you jump in, okay? You always buy on dips, buy on dips, buy on dips, right? And then with this one, this was just me trying to be too perfect again, trying to get like a really, really small stop loss, and then it stopped me out, okay? And then it plummeted all the way down, right? So guys, yeah, this was my US30 play. Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys liking how your boy is trading towards the money. All right, guys, and so that was Friday's price action. So that was all Friday's price action. And then today's price action, US30 right now, this is what your boy is trading at the moment. I'm in from the very, very highs. We're at this high right now, okay? And we're going to trade towards the money. We're going to trade towards the money. The money's on this bottom side, right? We got all this consolidation, okay, all of that stuff. The money's being built up down here. So your boy's going to be trading US30 right to the lows, okay? We're going to go right to the lows. So far, let's just check this out first of all. We are how many points in profit? We're about 131 points in profit at the moment. And so for this entry, all it was this. So there was a generation of liquidity down here. You guys always know about me and my generations of liquidity. Boom. Okay, all of this stuff was just generation of liquidity, yeah, down here. Then they ran it out. Okay, they ran out the stop losses. Okay, so everyone who was trying to sell US30 nice and early, okay, they ran out their stop losses, and then they started to break down. The moment they pulled back up, okay, into this area down here, this is where your boy entered the trade. Okay, your boy entered the trade over here, okay, and I believe I caught it on this one, on this leg up. Okay, not that leg up, I caught it on that leg up down here. And then look, my stop loss was about 15 pips. I'm just gonna start saying pips. It just sounds so weird to say points, but pips, right? And then it started breaking down. I've not added any additional entries because tomorrow is the presidential elections, right? So look, your boy just wants to be in and out. I don't want no drama. Okay, I'm not trading tomorrow. Okay, it's gonna be so volatile. That's what I'm kind of expecting, right? So guys, if it does pull back, no, I'm not gonna add a position. I'm gonna literally be disciplined and not add any more positions. But guys, I will be riding. So I'm looking to scale off once it gets down to here, and then I'm gonna take the full position down here and see whether I can catch a run all the way down to these lows down here. So altogether, this is a 645 pip move. You can see that it's moving in our favor. It's all good. God is good. Let's go. And then yeah, so it's moving in our favor right now, and it's plummeting just how we like it, right? We're just gonna ride. It's dropping. We're Gucci. And before I go, let's clean up this chart a little bit. It needs to look correct. I don't like those buttons charts. So look, boom. There we go. Now we've done it. Okay, we've done it. In fact, you know what? Let's just do this one more time as well. There's money here. Okay, there's money here, right down here, and there's money beneath these lows too. If this video gets 250 likes, I'm going to be doing more videos on the US30. I know you guys really like the US30, so yeah, I'll be doing more videos on the US30. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Remember, we are on the road to 10K subs, and we're going to get there real soon. We're literally under 500 subscribers away. So guys, watch the whole video to the end. Make sure YouTube really pushes out this video. Smash the thumbs up button. Let's get 250 likes on this video, or was it 300? I can't remember. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Peace.